Hey guys, today I'm teaching you if this classic code editor still holds up or if it's time to move on. Sublime Text has been around for over a decade, known for its speed, clean interface, and lightweight performance. Here's what still makes it great in 2025. Blazing fast, opens instantly, even with large files. Distraction-free UI, perfect for focus, tons of plugins via package control. Cross-platform, Windows, macOS, Linux, one-time license, no subscription needed. It's ideal for web developers, Python coders, and anyone who just wants a fast, no-frills editor. But here's what's holding it back. No built-in Git tools or terminal like Versus Code. UI has not changed much, might feel outdated, not ideal for large team workflows or heavy integrations. Still missing official support for features like real-time collaboration. So, is Sublime Text still worth it in 2025? Yes, if you want speed, simplicity, and full control. No, if you need a full IDE or tons of built-in features. What's your go-to code editor this year? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more dev-friendly reviews.